We are in Costco in the South Common area of Edmonton, the south side, and oh my god, they have it. Take a look at this. Really, really cool. Awesome. There's the two prices you see for the two drones, the Mini 2 and the Mini 3 Pro. Mini 3 comes with the aircraft, the controller, the intelligent battery, two of them, some extra propellers, and the ND filter set, which is really, really cool. And there's the drone right there, the Mini 3 Pro. Now your Mini 2 and your Mini 3 Pro are both the same weight, 249 grams. Their flight battery time is 31 minutes for the Mini 2 and 34 for the Mini 3 Pro. However, the Mini 3 Pro also has another battery that's flight time is 47 minutes. Now, the Mini 3 can do 18 kilometer flight range, where the Mini 2 does a 10 kilometer flight range. Now this forward, backwards, and downward, that's your obstacle avoidance. So anything behind you, in front of you, and below you, it will avoid, not side to side. However, the Mini 2 only has an obstacle avoidance below, so it can tell you your elevation, how high your drone is. Here is the diagram on the difference between the two batteries that the Mini 3 Pro has. So definitely the 47-minute battery will make your drone be overweight in North America or any other countries that have restrictions for weight restrictions. Anyways, other than that, hope you guys like this short tutorial, and we will be back with more stuff. Thanks for watching.